About damn time. They said you'd be through 2 days ago.
Sorry. What are you talking about?
Just leave what you got in the cellar and be on your way. My guts give me hell, and I ain't in a sociable mood.
I ain't sure what you want from me, lady.
Are you dead in the head, boy? Put the loot down in the cellar with the rest of it. Is that clear enough for you, you dumb yak?
Through the back there. No meddling.
Hey, what's taking so long down there? Stop poking around and get back up here.
Wait a second now. I don't remember you. I thought they said be one of them Russell boys. Let me give you some advice. Turn around. Walk out of here. Get far, far away. I said, get the hell out of my house. Now!
Hey, wait, that's my gun. Mine's ain't that? Are you shitting me? I'd start running if
Sorry,
I-
lady. Ain't so tough now, are you?